Hi everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these two in a different colour though, because I'm still waiting for my white foam iron to be delivered. So we're going to be making a daisy with a bead, and then we're going to be carrying on then to make a chrysanthemum. So move those out the way. I've already die cut all my pieces. It's a Crafter's Companion layered daisy die. I do shape the petals myself sometimes to make them a little bit more pointy. Right then, need a little bit of foam, and we start with the biggest. So we fold up all the petals, very similar to how we did the last one, when you fold them all in together. It's a bit tricky, you can get them all. And then what you want to do, foamiren's quite thin anyway, but you can push it with your fingers a little bit and manipulate it, and then it gets a little bit more thinner, so it looks more like petals. So I'll just pull it slightly. Don't be too rough with it. You can when they're all together like this, because it's tougher. You won't be able to do this on a single petal because it's matty, like it would tear. But then what I do then is I just get the middle, and then hold it in a twist. So you've twisted it half like that, and then open them back up, and that's your first layer of your daisy. Another large piece, again fold them all up until they're all together like so, and then pinch them, and then put some pressure on in your fingers. You can actually feel the foam flatten. You can see from where it was to where it is now. So you've flattened it, you've made the foam a little bit thinner. Okay, so then you twist it again and hold, twist again and hold, and then open up the daisy. This is when you start layering them together. Now you need your glue gun. So what's that sticking there? Right, you need a little bit of glue. You're not going to need your ball tool yet, so don't overlap the petals. Go either side of them so they all show. So that's your second one. Then we need another large one. Again, same process of laying them all together. You can see there how thick that is, and then we put some pressure on to have, oh, I thought I tore one then. And then like that, and you can see that it thins it even more. Again, twist. You need to press hard as well on the twist. Don't do a gentle twist because it won't hold its shape. And without heat, these thin ones do hold the shape without the heat. I've made some for like 3 months ago and they're still the same. So a little bit of glue again. Again, try not to overlap. Place it where you want. And then again, another large piece. Oh, that's my bulldog snorting again. So keep like that, and then push and pull slightly. There you go. And then twist and hold again, and then open petals up. The first 5 or 6 that you layer down can stay flat, like so, like I'm laying them on flat, and then I'll show you what to do with this tool to create the more flower, well, daisy looking. So again, same again, all the petals together, and then crush them in your fingers, slightly pulling them. And twist and hold, again, twist and hold. They won't stay this tight, they will loosen off a little bit, but they will, because you've done the twist very tight, it gives you the chance then for the foamiren to correct itself, because we haven't used heat. So without heat, foamiren really normally bounces back to its original shape, but these, with the daisies, it's perfect. Okay, now you need your big ball tool, and then as the glue's drying, just gently press, and then the glue then will start to dome, and then it'll create then your layers to start coming up. Right, another large one. You use a lot of layers. I've never counted them, but you can see there's a lot of layers. Okay. And then hold. Tiny bit of glue again. Ball again. Ball tool. Ball shaper. Petal shaper. And what is it called? Call it a ball stick. Right then, now you're going on to your medium ones. So same again. Fold them all in the middle. And crush them. Twist again. And hold. And pinch at the same time. And then undo the petals. I find daisies really easy to make. Anybody can make these. Easy peasy. Right then, so you pop tiny bit glue on again. Pop your first medium one on, and then press in with your ball tool. There, like that. And then we'll do another medium. Oh no, actually another medium one first, and then we'll go to the small. So again, all together, and then twist, hold. Again. Now this one is finished as a daisy. Let me show you. I've got a white little ball here, that'll do. You can use whatever colour bead you like, fluff it up. Put your glue on your bead as you would normally and set it. And that's where it sits. So that's your daisy, easy peasy. Right, we won't glue that down because we're going to carry on now. We're going to be making this one. So we'll go to the smaller petals now. Again, gather them all up exactly the same. them and open them. And pop your small one on there. And then you really press into the foam now. Because what you want to be doing is closing that flower in. So you've gone from flat, so you can see the bead, to literally closed in. Okay, so that's why you want to be pressing into the foam. Another small one. I have used heat on daisies before with my straighteners, but I find because they're so dainty, the daisy leaves, they tear ever so easy, and I can get a pretty outcome without using the heat, so that's why I don't use the heat with my daisies. Again, a little bit of glue in the middle, and then make sure you're working right dead centre. Again, you're pressing harder until the glue sets. Need another little pokey tool to get it out. Look at all them glue strings. Okay, so again, another small one, exactly the same. Repeat this over and over and over again until really it's you decide when you want to stop. You can really pack some layers into these flowers and they look stunning. Or if you want to do it quick, just do the daisy and it's literally quarter of the amount of work, or half. I'd say half, not a quarter. So again, and then use your smaller end. Oh, up, smaller end. And what you're doing is you're letting this pokey end now find the glue in the middle, and then you gently, then no more hard pressing now because it's starting to close in on itself. Okay, now this is where I reshape the leaves. So again, so I wanted the middle to be a little bit smaller than the small daisy, so I always chop okay, chop your little bits off like that. And then oh, do the same again, don't forget that bit, all into the middle and twist. That, and then find the middle like that, and then again with your small pokey tool, or you can use this pokey tool, take the centre and then find it gently like that. Probably best to use these, actually. Use these to fill it in there. Sometimes this gets stuck and then I just press on with them and then it releases itself. So again, another one. So make the leaves, petals shorter. Gather together again. Pull and twist. Find the centre. Tiny little bit of glue. Again, use your pokey tool to push the centre in. And then you can press a little bit harder now. This is when the flower gets stuck to the, but you just use another pokey thing to get them off, and then pull your glue strings off if you've got some, which you're bound to have. That's the thing of working with a glue gun. You get glue strings everywhere, and then you fluff it up. And there you have, I think these are my favourite. Perfect, full, real looking chrysanthemum. Right then, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Any questions, leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But those are the 2 daisies. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.